Good morning, everyone. I am going to demonstrate a project on machine learning program on Apache Spark under the guidance of Dr. Animesh Chaturvedi. Let's begin with the introduction part. A marketing agency has many customers that use the service products produced for the client and customers. They have noticed that they have few churns in the clients as they have randomly assigned account managers right now, but they are looking forward to have a machine learning model that will predict which customer will churn so that they can assign correctly. So let's see what are the data sets. The use data is having around 900 customer data and 10 independent features. Here a single features is also added to our dataset as a vector. Heading towards the process part by showing the code. Initially, I imported the Spark session from PySpark.sql, then imported logistic regression from PySpark.ml.classification. Here I read the data as customer underscore churns.csv by using spark.read method to read this historical data. To look out data, I have used print schema method. So we got 900 customer data set. So I have used the count method to get exactly the number of rows we have in a data. This is my test data. After that, I have imported vector and also imported vector assembler from PySpark library. Firstly, we must transform our data using the vector assembler function to get a single column where each row of the data frame contains a feature vector. Here I am using age, the total purchase, the account manager, etc. We'll change the parameter as the model is not giving the required data. Now here we are creating an output underscore data, which is a data frame which contains the data in the input data, which has been converted using all these input columns or the features after uh, and have a single output of the cell of named features. Loading schema of new output. Everything is same except the additional feature column as a vector. So this will help us to predict of the customer churns. Let's have a look on the output of first element. We have the features which is dense vector containing all the five values of column which you can see here. I have created a final data for which I'll use the output data which we have from the vector assembler, and we'll select only the features and the churns. Then we are splitting data into training and testing data by using random split method, and we are dividing it into 70 to 30 ratio. We are going to create our logistic regression model where we are going to use the column churn for the label. So now let's train the model using training data which we created from our final data. Here we can see the summary of model which we have created, as you can see here. Now we have created our model. Let's use it to get the value of evaluator on the raw prediction data. Now for that we need to import the binary classification evaluator. For each we are creating a data of model prediction in which it fits the test data into the model and evaluate using the binary classification evaluator. As you can see here, binary classification evaluator will take the prediction column and the column and the label column churn, which tells us the accuracy in our model. Now you can see how our model is 78% accurate. So now we'll use the incoming new data, which is the new customers, and see if our model is fit or not. Now again, we are going to use the vector assembler here. We have created a data frame result in which it takes logistic regression and transform it using a new test data, and This new test data also contains the feature column because we use the vector assembler just before that. So this is our result. But let's have a clean look by selecting only the company and prediction just to see how it's working. Here you can see that this was all about my project. Thank you.